If you own an older BMW X3 E83, you know that center console plastic is probably looking rough. This tiny carbon fiber accessory promises to fix years of wear and tear instantly, and honestly, it delivers a surprising punch for such a simple upgrade. We're looking at the gear shift cup holder protective cover, specifically designed for the 2004 through 2010 E83 chassis. The compatibility is spot on, which is the first hurdle cleared for any custom accessory. The material is the real star here. It's described as premium carbon fiber, and it certainly feels high quality. It's not just about the looks. The material boasts high-temperature resistance, anti-wear capabilities, and it's waterproof. It's supple and resilient, meaning it won't tear or deform easily, which is crucial for an area that sees constant friction and use. The unique carbon fiber texture immediately elevates the interior. It takes that slightly dated, scratched-up plastic look and replaces it with a luxurious, sporty aesthetic that integrates seamlessly with the car's personality. But beyond the charm, this is a protective layer. It shields against new collisions, dust, food debris, and water stains. What truly makes this essential for older models is its ability to skillfully cover existing scratches. That worn-out plastic around the shifter is instantly hidden, giving the car a fresh lease on life. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the traceless AutoGuard adhesive. It's completely tool-free, and the best part is the promise of residue-free removal. That means zero damage to your underlying trim or paintwork if you ever decide to take it off. This accessory hits the sweet spot between robust protection and genuine personalization. It's a durable, low-cost solution that dramatically improves the look and longevity of one of the most high-touch areas in your BMW. It's a definite win for both safety and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.